Hello guys, I got two tasks from a company called Uto Cloud, and that company is located in Noida. So the first task I have already shared with you. Now the second task was the I have to use core PHP and database MySQL, and then I have to create a admin panel design. The objective of this task is design a basic admin panel, and then requirement is the admin panel should consist of three parts: a sidebar, dashboard, user management, and even we have some report setting logouts. So inside the dashboard there should be redirect to the main dashboard page. Then one tab is the user management, that is for managing users, like the view, add, update or delete. In the reports tab, for viewing and generating reports, that is user activity, imports, performance, etc. Then settings, for system settings, for example change app configuration, manage security setting. And then there should be one last tab is the logout, which will log out the admin panel. Okay, so in the top bar, a header with the links or branding, it should contain logo, display the application's logo or name. Then there should be one search bar for quickly searching items or users in the admin panel. Then user profile, a drop down with the user's name and logout options. Then body, that is a dashboard. The dashboard should contains graphs, that is the display graph for visualizing key metrics, for example user growth over time, activity users per day, etc. Then tables, display tables with relevant data like the user statistics, recent activity, etc. Then the panel's URL should be slash home. If the file is home.php, remove the .php extension from the URL. Okay, so we created, I will not go much in the detail because that was a very long task. So main things I will let you know. Like, first of all, we have created a login page, uh, and there should be one company logo. Okay, so after the login, we'll come to the dashboard. Okay, so dashboard will contain recent users and one graph. Then if we click on the user management, so as per the requirement, user management for managing users, view, add, update and delete. So simply I created user management, id, name, email and action, and the action contain the edit and delete, so we can edit it or delete it. Okay, another tab was the reports, that was for viewing and generating reports, that is user activity reports, performance. So if I click on the reports, here I can see that the recent added users. So from where these users are coming, so they are coming from the database. So I will show you the database. Okay, HP. So it will take few seconds. Okay, so this is our recent added users. So whatever you have added in the recently, it will show here. Also I have created one export data here, download CSV. It means that the recent added user, you can download it in the download CSV file, comma separated value. Another one was the settings. For system settings, change app configuration, manage security and setting. So I created the setting page, and setting page, site name, admin. So here you can change the admin email or password. Okay, and the last one was the logout, that is to log out the admin panel. Okay, also I have uh, yeah, I have created a header which will display the logo or name. So I have created the header.php inside the includes directory. We have auth.php, db.php, footer.php, header.php, sidebar.php. So we can use these file in our web page. So simply we can use the include or include this thing. Okay. Also, search bar I have created. So user profile drop down with the user's name. Okay. So I have, this is the profile. Okay, admin, as I am logging with the admin, so it will show the profile and logout. Okay, so username I am, okay, this is admin, username, that is profile, and logout is here. Admin is the username and this is profile, and what it was asking, a drop down with the user's name. Okay, so admin is the user's name and inside that we have the profile and logout. Okay, or we could use in front, instead of the admin we could use here profile, and if we click on this profile then it will show the admin and logout. Okay, this is also good. And graph display from the visualization key matrix. Okay, this as I have done. Table display with relevant data, user statistics and recent activity. And this the panel URL should be /home. So for that I created one htaccess file. Okay, in htaccess file, and we have given the permission like the rewrite engine on, then rewrite cond request file name f, rewrite cond request file name d, then rewrite rule, some regular expressions, $1.php, ncl. So it will remove the .php uh, from the web page. Okay, so this was the second task, and I will share more interview question. Till then, bye.